All right, it is Thursday, October 19th. It is just about 11:30 a.m. and I am wrapping up my day. Today was a very frustrating day for me. 0 flat day. For anyone that's new to this channel, this is where I'm documenting my journey with a new strategy that I'm trading based on a free indicator that I am not revealing, but yet I'm using to trade with on a separate chart just to the left of this chart off screen to YouTube. And I have come up with a set of rules and conditions for certain setups that I'm willing to take off of this indicator and trade with, and I've been doing really well for the past 4.5 weeks. But I've run into a little bit of a hiccup in just that in the past 4 days of trading, I've gotten one day with trades. So to say the least, it's been frustrating today, especially frustrating for me. I've seen a number of setups today. So finding and seeing setups is not the problem today. As we can see here, I have marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. They all would have worked. A couple of them I had reasons to skip that they were, perhaps a bit subjective. Or just not feeling confident because of the way the market was moving. With the news at 9 o'clock, the market started moving really fast and got really volatile. And you can see just jutted up, jutted down, jutted up, just big moves. And it was moving fast. It was the fastest moving market I've been trading this system with. And between trying to start the record for YouTube for recording my live trades, as well as just being prepared to take a trade in time, it was just moving so fast. I was getting a little flustered, honestly. And for each trade that I didn't take that worked, I was getting a little bit more and more frustrated. I also missed some trades when I walked away for a minute, came back and tried to take it right away, or and just missed it. So overall, just a very frustrating day. And then if you check out my live recording today, you'll see that not too long ago, maybe 10 minutes ago or so, around 11:20, 11:15, I don't know. I did a refresh on my chart because I just am in the habit of refreshing the historical data every 30 minutes to an hour just to make sure that I have accurate data. And today it just gave me this boner of a candle that's total BS. The market moved way up here, actually, where I have this arrow here marking a trade I missed. So I can't even really show you accurately, anything at this point. It's just, for whatever reason, the historical data just doesn't want to appear properly. I'll even give it one more shot while I'm recording this and see what happens. But I'm so frustrated by today that I kind of don't even want to go through and waste anyone's time looking at anything specifically. I think if you want to see, why I didn't take trades, it's refreshing now. If you want to check out my trading session, it's just not going to go back to normal. During the trading session, this was all normal. And so you'll be able to see, quickly here, this was an LO. I think I walked away and I missed it, if I remember correctly. I started late today. That was another thing. I didn't start till 7:30. So, all of this had already happened in the overnight and at the market open. I missed the 2 legs down here. And I missed a trade here. I think I stepped away for a minute, or I don't even honestly remember at this point. There is a OJ. I think I honestly, guys, I don't even remember what happened today. I'm so flustered. This trade I was definitely here for, and I missed it. I was going to try to take it, but it happened really fast. and the PB that used to be here, I hesitated and missed it. There was a LO that I kind of missed and skipped because I kind of thought it looked a little bit subjective. There was another LO here that looked somewhat subjective that I missed. And there was an OJ that I saw a little too late, tried to hit record, tried to take it. It had already gone 7 ticks by the time that, I was dropping my order in. And so I wasn't going to enter at that point. It was too late. And then the glitch of the refresh. So that sums up my day. A frustrating day, I think, for anyone that's new to trading. Maybe you'll see that, even if you get a lot of setups in a day, how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 setups. They all work today. If I took any of those, I would have had a nice day with at least one trade. If I got them all, 7 trade day. If I got half of them, 3 or 4 trades, but here I am sitting with 0 trades. And I think the other thing that I'll just quickly mention is for whatever reason, the way the market's been moving, the way that I didn't get a trade yesterday, I didn't get a trade Monday, I didn't get a trade last Friday. I got 2 trades on Tuesday. But just, I think when you don't get trades for a day or two, that starts playing tricks on your mind. You start, feeling less aggressive to take a trade. Maybe, at least that happens to me. Start feeling a little bit more passive. And I don't know, today I just was feeling a little unsure and uneasy. And even though there was reasons to kind of, be a little bit more specific with my setups today, there was also plenty of reasons to take trades. Most of these trades fit my rules perfectly. And there were some, like I talked about the pace of the market, how fast it was, was a little bit more challenging, challenging to hit the record button, challenging to execute the trade. And, there's really no reason for me to have any doubt with my strategy at this point. I'm 4.5 weeks in, 5 weeks before YouTube. Actually, tomorrow's the end of the 5th week on YouTube. So I'm 6 weeks in with the strategy overall on Apex, and I'm at 90% overall. I'm gonna calculate all of my trades, and I'll start just keeping that on screen what my current win rate is with the strategy, and maybe with the individual setups, and just leave it on the screen. Maybe I'll work on that since I'm stopping early, but I'm running at 90%. So there's really no reason for me to have any doubts about my system. I think the last thing psychologically, I'm just so close to qualifying for my first payout on a PA account on Apex that maybe there's added pressure there. I was actually here back around this amount when I first started trading the account, trading on max price action trading system. I got it up this high, and then I just had like 2 days of 2 horrible days in a row trading Pat system, and almost blew up the account. And that's when I decided to stop trading Pat system, because that has happened to me a number of times, and switched to this strategy that was something I just had a revelation about and started to test, and it was working. So I've built it all the way back from where I almost blew it when I was this close before. And I think that maybe is also another little psychological hurdle that I'm facing right now, just as I approach a qualification for a payout, and just being extra careful. But I'll get over it. We'll see how tomorrow goes. I'm going to keep testing over the weekend, building even more confidence. And maybe I just need to go back and watch some of my old YouTubes and see that, these setups work. Got to trust the setup. Today I had a hard time trusting the setup, hard time executing, hard time reacting fast enough. I'll just keep striving to get better, to trust it, to take it when I see it, and not think too much. I'm a little bit too much in my head. But with all that said, frustrating day. Going to try not to let it get to me, and we'll have a better day tomorrow. Thanks for anyone that's out there watching. I appreciate you joining me on my journey here, and I have no idea where this is going to go. It started off well. I've hit a little bit of a rough patch in terms of executing. Let's see if I can pick it up again tomorrow and continue where I left off. All right, I'm out here.